Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So this stock is going insane. Let's go ahead and take a look at this because, hey, I warned you. I told you. I know we're gonna have this one hater that's always watching all the videos, but always throwing, backlash towards me. And he was always saying, Carvana, man, it ain't hitting on nothing. You wasting your money. They're not profitable, which they aren't. But why? It's Hayes. So, you know, eager to get into this play because everything is not about the news. Everything is not about earnings. Everything is not about what they make it up to make it be about. It's the market is fixed up. Like it's basically like you got some real churches out there, and you got some churches. It's just like a fashion show. People just come to see who can get the flyers, try to be more than what they aren't, and that's basically what the stock market is. It's a fashion show. The people that's really making the money, the big money, they're not in tune with everything that's going on in the market like most people. Like, we need to know this, need to know that, need to know this, need to know that, need to know this. Looking at all these different components of the company that doesn't really even matter when a price action is going to do something totally different from all that research and homework you've been wasting your time doing on strictly majority of the time price action. I mean, I do check the news, see exactly what's going on, because some catastrophic events or different type of news can definitely move the market in the direction of where I knew it would easily go. So I'm gonna, kind of pay attention to it. But overall, I'm strictly business, looking for the best opportunity, the most amount of reward for the least amount of risk. Tell me which companies in the market, regardless of how poor fundamentally or if they won't make no money, tell me which company in the market has better upside potential than Upstart and Carvana. I'll wait. I'll sit back and wait. And these two of the plays I've been telling you guys about for the longest, every single day in, day out, getting these plays, getting these plays. Carvana is now up over 100% in the past couple weeks, right? Let that sink in. It ain't nothing. That'll take you 10 years investing in the overall market to see that type of return. And you just seen it in a couple weeks, right? That's if you bought it. That ain't no option. If you did options, you made over 1,000% return plus. And let's do the calculation. It'll take you a lifetime investing in the overall market to make 1,000% return. A lifetime, pretty much 100 years. It'll take you 100 years to make 1,000% return investing in the overall market in these indexes. I'm just putting you guys up on game. Of course, there's more risk involved, but when you following or using somebody alerts that has a little advantage over the market, that edge that I always talk about, knowing exactly where the main key level to get in at, near support, and where to get out near resistance, and rinse and repeat. Not being greedy, getting in, getting out, aiming small, missing small, not trying to use leverage, not over, using too much money. All these little different things that I'm saying. Like I say, the small things matter the most. But anyways, guys, as we can see, man, Carvana is at $47 on today, man. That's insane. It hit 48, almost touching 50 bucks, up over 40% the day alone. That's crazy. In the past week, up over 65%. Let me show you as I tell you, because I know the haters in the back, they still won't believe it. In the past month, it's way better than I expect. It's 120% return. Man, I don't know nobody. Oh, I alerted it multiple times. I alerted it at $20. And then the thing about me is, I know people don't get into the play until they see it start to move. So even as it's moving, and I still see the potential, and I still alerts it and let you guys know, okay, I'm not being alerted it, but it's still time for you to get in. And as you can see, man, it's just been insane. If you take a look at this, just an hour ago, and soon as 5 minutes, 10 minutes later after I posted this, Carvana jumped into the 40s. But we been alerted at 20, but it's also alerted at 38 just 1 hour ago in VIP. So regardless if you feel like, man, I be late, I can't get in these plays like that quick, get in VIP. But anyways, guys, man, this is definitely one of the ones for the books. So the next play that I alerted in VIP that you could have been early in on is Upstart, guys. As you can see, Upstart came down to that 26, came down to that $26 area, just as we was expecting it to, and then it shot up to 30. If it blow past, if it get back above 30 bucks, it is over with. This bad boy is going to take off, guys, and I do believe it's going to go above 30 with ease. Of course, it's going to be turbulent, People just started hopping in as they seen the movement. But this bad boy is about to heat up. So you already know, guys, the first play is already in the books. It still has potential, but I'll wait for it to fall drastically. Talking about Carvana before I got back in it. And then Upstart, this is near the bottom. It's ready to take off. So you already know, man, I love y'all. Add me on Instagram. Get a VIP. We gone.